All right, we got to talk about this oversized chair here. This is a floor chair. Every floor chair that I've seen, you don't know how big it is, and you get it and you're usually not happy with how small it actually comes out. This is big. I'm not a small dude, I'm a big dude, and I'm gonna sit on here and you can see for yourself just how big this thing is. It's great. You can put your head back if you want to. You can lean this down into different positions, even flat if you want. So if you want to lay flat on it. I've even had it tilted just a little bit. I took a nap on it and I slept so good. If you're looking for a good gaming chair, maybe get a couple of these. You could be sitting down playing some games. It makes it a little bit more fun than just sitting on the couch. But it's also really comfortable. It's got that like memory foam feel to it and just nice fabric. So you sit on it and it's not like it's stiff. It's actually just really comfortable. The other thing is other floor chairs, you have to like set it up against something to sit it up straight. This one, you just use your weight to sit it up straight. So having had this for like a month now, and I've been using it a lot. I mean, look at it, it's huge, it's big, and I get it. You know, a lot of the other ones, they look big in the pictures, but this one is a big one. So if you're looking for a big chair like this one, I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.